Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are showing you guys wall mending agent. So it comes in these tubes so you can seal cracks in wall turtles. So you just squeeze and scrape. They provide you with the nozzle. So you would peel that off and then you would stick this on. We'll go ahead and show you guys how it exactly works. They also do provide you with another one, multiple scrapers, depends on the size of the hole, different pads, different sizes, sandpaper, so you get a full nice kit. So let's go ahead and show you guys how that works. Alright guys, so for mending, we're gonna apply this on a small hole that we have here. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze this through. Alright, you stick it on, and now you'll cover it. Use this. And now we'll let it dry. Overall, works great.